Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the manufacture date of your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. To do that, we have to first shut down our device by going to power options, then shut down anyway, then wait until your device is fully turned off, and then we're gonna have to get to the UEFI menu. To get there, we're gonna have to hold down the volume up key, and while holding it down you have to short press the power button to launch your device. Then wait until the UEFI menu appears on the screen, which is gonna happen in a few seconds. And here we're gonna have to go to About on the sidebar, and at the bottom of this menu you'll be able to see the year of manufacturing. Unfortunately, we can only see the year without the precise date, but it's 2026. So that's when this device was manufactured. Go to Exit and select Restart Now to reboot your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.